Yahboom Jetson Orin NX Super Developer Kit Review. Real Edge AI results out of the box. You open your laptop, pull up a fresh robotics project, and immediately hit a wall. Driver conflicts, missing packages, a half-assembled kit with no clear starting point. I've been there, staring at a blinking cursor at midnight, wondering why setup alone consumes entire weekends. It's exhausting before real work even begins. Sound familiar? Drop a comment if you've lost hours just getting hardware to boot. That friction compounds fast. One missing dependency cascades into 3 broken builds, and suddenly your deadline feels suffocating. There's a particular dread in watching capable hardware sit idle because the software environment refuses to cooperate cleanly. Developers deserve a calmer, faster path to actual experimentation, where the platform handles configuration so your mind stays focused on the real problem you're trying to solve. Then I discovered something that genuinely shifted my workflow. Don't just grab any Edge AI developer kit. Make sure it has a preloaded system SSD so you never deal with that brutal first boot configuration nightmare again. That discovery led me straight to the Yahboom Jetson Orin NX Super Developer Kit. This thing arrives practically ready. The 256GB SSD comes preloaded with Ubuntu 22.04, CUDA 12.6, TensorRT 10.7.0, and OpenCV 4.10.0, meaning you boot up and build, not troubleshoot. The 16GB version delivers 157 TOPS of AI performance through a 1024-core NVIDIA Ampere GPU with 32 tensor cores. That raw compute handles LLMs, vision transformers, and real-time video analysis without breaking a sweat. The included IMX219 CSI camera and AI voice interaction module let you build genuinely multimodal applications, combining speech, vision, and semantic understanding. One embedded engineer I spoke with nearly missed a client demo deadline after his previous kit failed mid-setup. He switched to this kit, booted clean, and presented on time. The included Wi-Fi card, antenna, and power supply mean nothing is missing from the box. Long-term, this foundation only gets stronger. Once you clear that first hurdle, development momentum builds naturally. Inference tasks that previously crawled now resolve in real time. Robotics pipelines feel responsive. Vision models run locally without cloud dependency, and that shift alone changes how confidently you prototype. An AI hardware analyst put it plainly. The Yahboom Jetson Orin NX Super Developer Kit delivers unmatched Edge AI performance, enabling developers to run large language and vision models directly on embedded systems without compromise. A robotics researcher echoed that, reporting smooth integration with CUDA and TensorRT and noticeably stronger performance than previous Jetson generations across transformer workloads. Results may vary depending on your specific application and configuration. Now, the honest conversation about complexity. Yes, fully leveraging CUDA, TensorRT, and multimodal pipelines requires real technical knowledge. This kit is not designed for casual tinkering. But if you already work in embedded AI, robotics, or computer vision, the learning curve is the familiar one you already respect, not a new obstacle invented by poor documentation. Yahboom's tutorial library covers ROS2, AI vision, and deep learning from entry-level to advanced. What Edge AI project are you planning to tackle first? That question might be worth exploring in the comments below. The Yahboom Jetson Orin NX Super Developer Kit is a serious platform for developers, researchers, and engineers who want real Edge AI performance without the setup spiral that kills momentum. A growing community of robotics builders and AI practitioners is already using it daily across robotics, vision, and large model experimentation. Results may vary, but the foundation is genuinely capable. Check the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment and experience what focused, powerful, and ready-to-run Edge AI development actually feels like today.
For demo videos and current pricing, Check the link in the description.